Wagwan family, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to share the one here with you all. Coconut curry chickpeas. Not talk too much, we're gonna jump right into the intro, then we're gonna start the cooking process.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.
This is the chickpeas I'm using. Like a cup of chickpeas, I already cook it. Here we have some onions chopped up. We have some garlic chopped up. This is a small onion and this is like 3 cubes of garlic. This is some scallions, like 2 pieces of scallions are cut up. Over here I have some pimento pepper. This is for flavor. I have some sweet pepper cut up. Here I have 1 Scotch bonnet, but this is optional. I have some fresh thyme. Here I have some carrots. More Grace coconut milk. You could use the coconut milk of your choice. I'm using an all-purpose season also. Here, this is the curry powder I'm using. Better pot curry powder. And here I have some green season where I make fresh green season. I have a video on my channel where I make my green season. Okay, so we're gonna start the cooking process right now. To my skillet, I'm gonna add a pinch of olive oil. Now I'm gonna add the onions. Now I'm going to add my garlic. Now I'm adding one tablespoon of curry powder. Not too much curry. Burn the curry in the oil. Now I'm going to add my chickpeas. One tablespoon of blend green season. Now I'm going to add my flavored pepper. I'm going to add my scallions. I'm going to add my bell peppers also. Just a little bit of all-purpose season. And it's all natural. Now I'm going to add my fresh thyme. 2 measuring cups of boiling water. 2 measuring cups of hot boiling water. One measuring cup of coconut milk. 1 measuring cup of coconut milk, that's it. Now I'm going to add my Scotch bonnet pepper. This is optional, you don't have to use it. I'm going to add my carrots. I'm going to add my potatoes. I'm going to cover my pot for it to come to a boil. Now my pot come to a boil. Look at this. Yo, smells so good. Look at this. So it finished cook. And this literally takes 15 minutes to cook. So we're gonna plate it right now. This is finished. So now I'm plating my curry chickpeas. So this is it. I have it with some spinach, some quinoa. So please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more vegan recipe to come up. Peace out.